Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Unclean. Just on a house wash today. This one's a challenging one. So as you can see here, this is where we're standing, and you can see the height of the house. So it's all clad in corrugated iron, Colorbond by the looks of things. So we're going to be soft washing this, a lot of mould. So you can see up there, it's all green as green can be. Look at this. Okay, so yeah, bit of a challenge. Definitely a chemical wash required. Okay, and it's also a difficult one from a height access perspective. So we're going to have to be using a combination of our pressure cleaners as well as water-fed brushes to access. You can see how dirty all of this is. We'll be cleaning all of this up here. Just quickly show you up here. There's balconies. So we'll be washing right up there as well, all of that face, and up there as well, and all of this exterior cladding here, a rendered finish here, washer rinsing down the deck, and I'll just quickly take you around the front so you can see that. So it's a fairly large house, but it's made much harder because of the access, because of the sloping block. You'll see around here as well. So we'll wash all of this, of course. We'll be doing all the external windows, and then round here, and then again up through here. So you can see here again, it's really steep access up the side of the house, and it's a lot of, yeah, it's quite slippery. You can see how bad that is up here. It's terrible. So they probably haven't done this in more than, I don't know, at least 8 to 10 years, if not longer. So we're washing all of this for them, and then we've got this kind of rendered board. So, and then round to the front here. So again, we've got rendered finish here, and we're going to clean all this up for them as well. And then we're basically round to show you from here so you can see it. And that's that corrugated iron again from the side. So it's going to be an interesting one, mostly because there's not too many houses clad in corrugated iron or Colorbond. You can see how dirty that fascia is. And there's also not too many houses that have this kind of challenge around access. So between the two, it'll make for an interesting day for us. We'll show you the results at the end. So as a little bit of an extra for this customer, because they are selling, I didn't realize they were selling. What we're going to do is we're going to spray up this roof for them as well with chemical. It's not going to, we're not going to pressure clean it because that's kind of out of scope for what we're doing here. But we are going to just put a little bit of chemical down for them so that they can at least just get a little bit of value, because obviously you can see here it's visible from the driveway. So when they are selling, obviously we want to try and make it look as good as possible. Okay, hope that's helpful, and we'll show you the results. This is a chemical that I'm applying onto the roof now, just to kind of clean up the mold. You can see there it's starting to go brown and yellow. That's exactly what we're looking to achieve. Look at this, probably 10 hours later. Look at these results, absolutely beautiful. This house is over 10 years old. Okay, so if you look at what we have achieved here, they're preparing for sale, and they're very happy with the results. They didn't expect the level of quality that we've achieved. Yeah, remember that external gutter all of the external gutters were pretty much filthy. I can't go up there because they've locked up the house, but That's all of that was clean. There was such heavy black mold up there that you would have been amazed. So we've done all of that right through here, and I'll show you back through here. So of course all this external, there was mold all growing along the external aspect here, and then there was another really, this is pretty bad, all this door here, and then of course this was heavy set mold through here. Probably the worst of it was up here actually, to be honest. I'll come through. Yeah, look at this face here, absolute gold. So really happy with the results. It's probably one of the advantages of corrugated cladding is that it is very hardy, and it can endure pressure, and it's a flat surface which makes it easier to clean rather than a textured surface like this. Okay, so I'll just show you the frontage around here. So this render was cleaned up, as well as a fair bit of mould growing on this, as well as this here. And all this is now really well presented. It's got good, very nice views, as you can see over the hills here, just in the and you'll see here that section of corrugated iron was very dirty as well. So that's all come up really good. And as a little bonus for this customer, which was quite a bonus, we actually cleaned the roof. Because I didn't realise they were preparing for sale, but because they told me that, I offered it at a very cheap price, given all the other work we'd done for them. So they went for it. Hope that's helpful. Hope you enjoyed watching. If we can help you, give us a call, and look forward to hearing from you.